Hi and welcome to Platforuma. Today we will be discussing about a four-wheeled remote controlled bot. What this bot consists of? It consists of four wheels, four DC motor, a chassis, a battery, a long wire, two DPDT switch and a casing. Let's see the demonstration for this bot. We will power up the circuit with this switch. Now we will be controlling the bot with this remote control. If I press both the DPDT buttons forward, the bot will start moving forward. Now backward. Let's turn it right. Turn it left. Now single DPDT switch controls the single side motors. So this is how we can control the bot and enjoy the drive. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Among them, which will generate different shades